Hello, thank you for watching this Intelligent Hearing Systems video. This video will review updated features for the SmartEP version 5.54. IHS has implemented live averaging for weighted, median, smart average, and the new Bayesian weighted averaging methods. Let me show you how it works. I will set the averaging method to standard first and select a block size of 10 sweeps. You can set your FSP point and your block size analysis frequency as well. I will leave the default values. Next, let's turn the phasor diagram display on. Now, we can begin acquisition. As you can see, the averaging method is displayed in the File Information submenu, as well as the Recording tab of the Rec Info panel. The averaging method can be changed live during acquisition. If I select Bayesian weighted, the recording changes dynamically from standard to Bayesian weighted. If I select weighted, it will change accordingly, and so forth. Now let's change to median average. And next to smart average. Now let's go back to standard average. During acquisition, note that there is a live update of the phasor diagram for the recording being acquired, with dynamically changing D' sensitivity measure. When the phasor diagram is displayed, the D' measure can also be seen in the Response tab of the Rec Information panel and the File Name Information submenus, along with other response quality measures such as signal-to-noise ratio, residual noise, FMP, and FSP information. Once the acquisition is complete, you can also calculate averages offline. There are two calculation modes. Update waveform will apply the selected calculation to the acquired waveform, while new waveform mode will create a new recording buffer for the calculated average requested. Please note the SmartEP default is always update waveform. I will show you both modes now. Let's keep the mode to update waveform. Now let's select calculated Bayesian weighted of active recording. Now the waveform has been updated to Bayesian weighted average. Let's return back to the standard average by calculating the standard average for the active recording. Now change the mode to new waveform. Select Calculate Bayesian weighted for active recording. This creates a new recording buffer for the Bayesian weighted that can be saved individually via Save Active Recording, and it can be compared to the standard waveform. Note, you can generate calculated averages for all saved recordings displayed on a page by choosing the All on Page option. Finally, regarding the new averaging options, we have added the averaging method and block size information to the offline analysis ASCII output file. Other new features included in this version of the software includes an option to keep or pin a recording to the page. By designating Keep Recordings, you can clear the page and those tagged as Keep will remain on the page. This feature is especially useful for those doing OR monitoring. Lastly, in previous versions of the software, ECOG area ratio calculations were activated via the Mark Other Peak menu. In the new version of the software, you can apply the ECOG area ratio to all the recordings on the page and activate the area ratio measurement from the right-click File Information menu or the Display tab in the Recording Information panel. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on IHS equipment, please contact our sales team at sales@ihsys.com or visit our website at www.ihsys.com. If you have any technical questions or suggestions, please contact our support team at support@ihsys.com.